Come on, Ruby.
That one made him.
Come on, buddy.
Keep moving.
Hey guys, make sure we go all the way forward through the. Oh, yeah, my friend. Right now, hold your hands on the room by the exercise. Next up, party, stop and feel alive. Stop and feel alive.
Keep moving.
Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deadly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Your host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
At this time, drag your bodies away from the walls and into the center of the room. Gather tightly in the dead center at this time.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive as we continue. And let's all stay together, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. And marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world ever known. Retired here to the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy points here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? Join us. Final arrangements may be made at the end. find unlivable here in this ghost. Every room. Then hot and cold, run chill. Listen.
Wherever they're at. Rap on a table. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Crazies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from
The happy
regions
haunts have
beyond.
received your sympathy. They're assembling for a swinging wave of ecstatic.
Happy haunts material.
There you are. There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return.
Follow